It's Osama Ghandour with you. In this video, we show you how to design program software applications using Visual Basic programming language. So here the design view. First, before we start, we have to speak a general work. The steps of designing professional software application, we have about 9 steps. First, define the problem, find the solution, search for pre-solution, compare the pre-solution, build the prototype flowchart, then writing the code by programming language, test the prototype, develop the solution and its prototype, communicate and market, distribute the prototype or first product, service after sale, and getting reflection and feedback for enhancing the first product, for generating the second product, and so on. Okay, so at first we have to define the problem and write our first solution, the interface in a paper. Then the remaining steps, white paper, A4 paper, we write these things at first. Then we convert it to a Word file by this way. Okay, and read the commands, the push buttons, which will be pressed in the program, and calculate the results which you need at the end of the program. And this is the text box which will be filled with the data. We enter it and feed the program with data. Okay, and this is labels. So now we go to the Visual Basic platform. uh, this is the form project explorer, and this is the properties windows, and this is the toolbox, and this is the tools which we use. That if we need to build a push button or a command button, we select here and draw like I was drawing. I prepared the 4 buttons here, these ones. Okay, and this is label. This is one label. If I need more labels, I write here. I draw this here. Text box, just click and draw. Okay, so I prepared before recording these elements, these labels and text box and the commands. Okay, we will show you how to complete this work. So we can copy these ones and paste for changing it. Yes, this one, yeah, and move it here, here. Yes, we can here adjust it here. Okay, just it, and go to the word file here. This is the dimension, road specification اللي هي diameter, the diameter in meter. So we change here, change. This is in the caption, Control V. So the diameter will be in meter. Okay, and so on. So this command we'll put here and change its name to calculate. Here it's ready here. Calculate here. Copy. Control C. Okay. Copy. Then go to the Visual Basic and here at caption, Control V, calculate. Okay. And here we need another one to be can copy this one. Yes. Okay, this one also can prepare here and change it to reset here. Copy it here, reset. Go here at caption, Control V, and so on. we bring this one here and this one here, okay, and changing the captions of it. We need this one copy, Control C, Control V, bring it here, okay, and change its name to be required resistance. Select, Control C, caption, Control V, Control V, required resistance, increase it. Okay, then we need this one and this one, this one, this one, copy, Control C, Control V, here, okay, need one, Control C, Control V, here, very easy, huh? But the dimension here for the required resistance will be ohm. Change it here, write it ohm, okay, so it's very easy. When we finish all the design, we need to write the code. Just click in the command here, double click, and here we write the code. Writing the code, diam x as integer, okay, and ممكن copy this line, and now I declare the variables, their types x and y as integers, and so on. We complete the coding, and this is the way, okay. When we try to test it, just right here and click here, okay, just running, stopping, running, stopping to go to the design mode for form and buttons, labels, text box, to the code mode, press here, okay, save for saving the work, okay, close, close, okay. We need to open this, go to here, project, opening it here, this one, start editing, completing, finish, okay. Thanks for listening.